take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I want. Okay, everyone, so the smaller pieces will be used towards the front, and the thicker pieces will be used once I get to twisting at the back of my hair. And now you'll see I used even, I don't remember what color top this was. It probably was the black top. That's usually what I get. And I'm not even going to pretend like I know how to say that brand name, but y'all saw the jar. I know you've seen it before in the store, yeah. So right now I'm just showing y'all how I prep before I actually start my twist. And here I'm getting ready to start my twist. Okay, so the hand towards the front of my face is my supporting hand, I like to call it, and the one at the back is the one that's doing most of the work. So I'm just swapping hair from one hand to the other. I'm using the hand at the back to grab the hair first as I swap the hair. Not only am I using that hand to grab the hair first as I'm swapping hair from one hand to the other, I'm also grabbing hair from my head to create it flat to my head. So if you watch, you'll see how I'm grabbing the hair. I'm grabbing the hair from my head with that backhand. And now it's the same thing when I add the hair. It's really easy to add the hair on with it. So you see how I add a piece in? So I just grab it with both hands, and then I'm still doing that same technique to keep the hair flat to my head. A big thing to make sure you do is to keep your grip tight and keep your hands close to your head. Because you'll see later in my video, I'll show you the other side that I did, how I did not grab my hair tight like I needed to, and it wasn't as flat to my head. So I still got the twist, but it wasn't as flat as it needed to be. So when I add the hair, it's really not complicated. Like, just keep your hands tight and you'll get it. So just keep the same technique that I already explained, that I don't mind repeating because that's what I'm here for. So you're swapping hair from one hand to the other, and you're using that back hand to grab hair from your head. When I say grab hair from your head, I'm referring to the hair that has not been twisted yet. So using that hand to grab the hair first, as well as grabbing hair that has not yet been twisted to create the flat twist. And that's pretty much it. Don't overthink it when you feed in the hair. Just keep it tight and continue the same technique, and it'll come out great. Yeah, look at that twist. That twist looks amazing. And y'all, this was my first time. I did not feel like doing my hair. I don't remember what I was supposed to do to my hair, but I was trying to think of something quick to do to my hair that would not take that long. I don't remember how long it took me to do this, but it did not take long. But it was my first time trying it out, and this is the way I achieved the look. So yeah, this is probably one of those styles that I think you'll probably have to try and watch it while you're also trying to do it watch the video while you're trying to achieve the style at the same time, because honestly, I'm gonna be real with y'all, it was kind of hard to even explain how to do it, but I really hope I was able to help you be able to do this style. Let me know in the comments if I helped you, or even if I didn't help you, let me know, because I would love to know. Yeah, but thank you for coming here to even watch it. Hey, watch it till the end, okay? Give your girl some watch hours, and just keep looking. The more you watch it, the more it'll help you out to get it. Don't forget to like my video. Press subscribe so you can see more videos like this. I would really appreciate it. Just like it. Say something in the comments. Something. Let me know you're here, because I see people watch my videos, but nobody doesn't say anything. So just say something, anything. Hello, hey, how you doing? I like the video. Oh, show me this, show me that. I got this, I didn't get that. It doesn't matter, but yeah, either way, thank y'all for just watching it. Thank you. Like my video and keep watching for some more important information coming up soon. Okay, coming up is the part of the video where I say y'all will be able to see how I did not grip it tight enough. yeah, you can see how it's not as tight as the one I showed you on the other side. So yeah, make sure you're keeping it tight, grabbing the hair tight, not too tight, but tight enough to where it's looking neat when you're grabbing it with that backhand. And just to let you know, so you know what hand was at the front, in the first part of my video when I was twisting, my left hand was my front hand, the supporting hand, and my right hand was the back hand, the one I said is doing all the work. Now when I'm on this side, left hand was at the back and the right hand was at the front. I would remember it by thinking left, right, because mainly you want to remember that hand that's doing most of the work anyway. Here I'm just feeding in a little more hair to make it a little longer because it wasn't long enough for me. And now I'm going to add some edge control, and then you're going to see how I'm going to add some beads to my hair as well. Now I'm not going to teach you how to put on the beads, I'm just going to show you here, but you can watch, and that's pretty much it. Thank y'all for watching.